In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AOL Mail SMTP settings. By the end, you'll be able to send emails from your AOL account using apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or your phone's default mail app. SMTP is the tool your email app uses to send messages through AOL's servers, so getting these details right is essential. Start by opening your email app and going into the account settings for your AOL account. Look for the section labeled Outgoing Server or SMTP. This is where you'll enter the settings that control how your messages are sent. For the server, type smtp.aol.com. Now set the port and security. The most reliable combination is port 465 with SSL encryption. This setup is widely supported and tends to work smoothly across desktop and mobile apps. Make sure encryption is actually turned on. SSL or TLS must be enabled for AOL. If your app doesn't accept port 465 with SSL, use the alternative, port 587 with TLS or Start TTLS. This configuration is equally valid and commonly used in Outlook and many mobile apps. Again, ensure encryption is enabled. Without it, your app won't be able to connect securely. Next, turn on authentication for the outgoing server. Your app may call this My Outgoing Server Requires Authentication. It's required for AOL. For the username, enter your full AOL email address, including everything after the @ Don't use just the part before the @ or the login will fail. For the password, use your AOL account password. If you have two-step verification enabled on your AOL account, you'll need to generate and use an app password from your AOL security settings instead of your regular password. Once those fields are set, save your changes and run the app's built-in test if it offers one. If not, send a quick test email to yourself and watch for the outgoing status. If it sends successfully, you're all set. If something doesn't work, double-check a few common culprits. Confirm you used smtp.aol.com exactly, with no extra spaces. Verify the port matches your encryption choice, 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS or Start TLS. Make sure SMTP authentication is on and that you entered your full email address. If the password is rejected and you use two-step verification, switch to an app password. Also confirm that SSL or TLS is enabled. This is very important for AOL. After making changes, save again and try another test. That's it. With these settings in place, your email app will send messages through AOL reliably and securely.